When it comes to making marketing videos, it can get really time consuming and expensive to make high quality videos. That's why in this video, I'll be breaking down step by step how to make high quality videos in minutes using a platform called VideoGen. If you want to follow along, use a link in the description to sign up for VideoGen, and let's get straight into step one. So the first step after you sign up for VideoGen is to go over to the top left and click generate a video and then click blank. As an example, I'm going to act like I have a dentist's office and I'm trying to get more patients. And so for the video idea, I'm going to ask it to start with a hook about a dentist's office, like a fun fact about teeth, to follow up with a payoff, and then to have a CTA to the office. So this is a really cool format you can use in any niche that will make the AI create a really intriguing intro to the video and then to pay off whatever that hook was. And then you can have a CTA at the end so that people know where to sign up in order to give you business. So from here, you can click generate script and you'll see your entire script over here. So did you know humans have 32 teeth, but sharks have over 20,000? That's pretty crazy. And at the end, it'll say to schedule your appointment. So down here, you can choose an AI narrator. So you can just click through.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future.
Welcome to the future of video.
So
Welcome to the future.
I'm just going to go ahead with Rachel here and click continue. And here you can choose whether you want a landscape or portrait type of video. So portrait would be good for scrolling platforms like TikTok, or if you want to post an Instagram reel or YouTube short. Landscape is good for everywhere else, like normal YouTube videos or as like a website background video. And you can choose a fast screen pacing, or you can go slower if you choose to do so. You can go ahead and click generate video, and then we'll be taken to the video editing screen. So from here, you can see your complete video with all the different clips. And the first thing I like to do is to regenerate any of the clips if I don't like them. So I actually really like how this video turned out, but I'm just going to go ahead as an example and regenerate this video. You just click on it and the side panel will pop up. You can also split it and then choose a different part of the clip to regenerate. You can move it around by dragging on the different clips. It's pretty intuitive. And if you want to search up for any clips or upload your own media, you can do so by clicking the replace button on the side panel. So from here, you can also change the AI narrator, change how loud they are. You can change the music. You can add a little bit of a background vibe. You can click the play button to preview it and just change the volume from here. So I'm also going to add some captions and put them in these different styles. So you can choose, depending on the different platforms that you're using, different caption styles. So I'd say if I was posting this on YouTube, I kind of like this caption style, and I'm going to center it in the middle here. And one last effect that I love putting on all of my videos is to click on each clip and then go over here to where it says animation and click zoom in and start to apply this to every single clip. And what you'll find after you watch the video back after applying this effect is it adds this really cool depth.
Did you know that humans have 32
video.
teeth, but sharks can have
You
over
see how it
20,000
slowly
in a lifetime?
zooms into the video.
Well, you might not
and
need that many.
It makes it seem a lot more alive. And on VideoGen, they also have some options to create dolly powered, to create cartoon images. And so if you add that zoom effect onto the cartoon images, you can have a really, really cool effect with a lot of depth in your video. So you can play around with this editor, and as you get more used to it, this will become a lot faster. And whenever you're finished, you can go over to the top right and click download video and choose the resolution that you'd like. So that was how you can make a marketing video in less than 60 seconds. If you enjoyed the tutorial, go down and hit the like and subscribe button, and also check out VideoGen in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video, and watch this next one.